He might quack off. That's all right. Please, Jesus. Let me just pour some healthy duck feed in here for them. All right. That's all I had anyway. That's all I had, just a little. I'm gonna move my stuff away. Get out of here. No. There. Better. I don't know what it is, but when I'm outside, kids like to run around me. And I don't know if their parents are fond of that, because I don't know them. So, I'm just going to go ahead and, I don't know, head out. With my legs. I only had a little bit of waterfowl duck feed anyway. There's that scenery again. All right. I'm sure the ducks have been fed a lot today since there's so many people enjoying themselves, like myself. People with families, people with kids, married couples. But I like to be by myself. I'll walk around this trail. My favorite little spot. I didn't mean to do. My favorite little spot. There's normally an old white guy that sits here by himself in this area, smoking cigarettes. An old white guy, European Caucasian. That's normally who sits there. At least that was last year. Maybe you found a new spot. All right.